Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing your footage and the background you want. Make a timeline and stack layers now. In the color page, add a serial node and switch the viewer so you can see changes instantly. Use the qualifier tool and choose the green hue. Click the eyedropper and sample midtones for accuracy. Adjust the tolerance and softness slightly so edges don't clip. Once done, switch between frames to confirm the key covers the range of greens in the shot. Now you refine the key with tools like the Delta keyer or the 3D keyer. These pick complex greens more reliably. After sampling, switch to the matte view and use shrink/grow plus softness to tighten edges, then employ matte finesse controls, contrast, pivot, and blur to remove noise. Add a garbage node before the key to mask out rigging or stands. If spill remains, add an outside node and desaturate or hue shift the spill color to match skin tones or clothing. Finish by compositing the keyed subject over your chosen background and match scale, position, and lens blur so the plate feels real. Use Resolve's trackers to lock the subject to moving backgrounds, then apply color matching and add subtle grain to unify texture. Check edges at full resolution, feather or add a thin slight edge blur if it looks harsh. If you encounter flicker or unstable matte, stabilize the clip or apply temporal noise reduction and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.